Thutha wa mbitika cia nyarari cia gutwarithia ngari kurugurio mieri 9 mihituku, riu kiumia giki makiria ma Matereba 10 magatitimura na mbitika-ini cia mbere mwena wa Kasarani muthenya wa kiumia. Muoroto munene wa kurugurio kwa mbitika ici ni gukuruhanagia atumia thiini wa macindano ma ngari na maria kwa ihinda gukoretwo ona mbitika cia rume, riu timu ino ikinanio ta the Lionesses.
So we're here today training for the very first time. We have our first rally on Sunday, the 27th of March here at Kasarani. We are the curtain raiser for the Equator Rally that's happening. And we're delighted to be here. We are an all-women's team rallying for hope, empowering hope.
Kuringana na Matereba aya megukorwo makihuthira mbitika ici ari mehariria ma mbitika cia gitaro kia Africa cia Africa Rally Championships oro undu umwe na mbitika cia Equatorio.
Forward, we'll be participating in more and more rallies. Lioness, we are here. We want to change the narrative. We are here to inspire women, to encourage women.
And the concept behind this is really just to create history and to raise the profile of women in motorsport, while at the same time encouraging women to become mechanics.
Gukiri ugwe thakia ni moritie igithia kumanyita guoko riri kiama kia aria matwarithagia ngari guku bururi-ini moritie Matereba makiria atumia kwiyumiria na kuingirira mathako maya.
Madhumuni ya mashindano haya ya wanawake ya mashindano ya mbio za magari ni kuempower women, kuinua wanawake wenzetu, tuache kukaa nyuma kusema kwamba haya mashindano ya magari ni ya wanaume peke yake. Tuko hapa kubadilisha hayo mawazo.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njeta gukuria wa Gishimu.